versus mom. Chinky was her dad's princess and Gattu was his mom's favorite. Both of them also used to love their parents very much. But in the hour of judgment, Chinky would take her dad's side and Gattu would stand by his mom's side. One day, both of them were having conversation in the hall.
Who's more powerful, mom or dad? My mom. My mom is powerful than dad.
That's when mom came to the hall and started calling dad, who was standing in the gallery.
Hey, the cylinder is over. Go and get the cylinder from the storeroom.
Hearing this, Chinky started laughing loudly.
What happened, Chinky? Nothing important. You go. Dad will bring the cylinder. Right, Gattu?
Chinky started laughing again and Gattu got angry. Then lifting the heavy cylinder like Bahubali, Dad walked towards the kitchen.
See, Dad is as powerful as Bahubali and Mom can't even move the cylinder. Ha ha ha, let it be. Dad can pick up the cylinder, but can he stand for hours in the kitchen to make breakfast for us in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, snacks in the evening, and then dinner for night? Mom takes the broom and mop and cleans the house in a jiffy. When Dad bows down, his back hurts. Mom finishes so many tasks in no time, yet her back doesn't hurt. So, Mom is more powerful than Dad.
Hearing this, Chinky got angry.
No, Dad is powerful. No, Mom. No, Dad.
Hearing both of them arguing, Mom and Dad came to the hall.
Gattu, Chinky, why are you arguing? See, Mom, Chinky is saying Dad is more powerful than you.
Oh, so what is wrong with that? Chinky is absolutely right. I am more powerful. Hearing this, Mom smiled and said,
If so, then I challenge you. Will you do what I can? Yes. Come on, Dad. Accept the challenge.
Yes, why not? Tell me what to do.
It's simple. Today, both of us will cook together. You will make it for yourself and Chinky, and I will cook for Gattu and me. This is cheating, isn't it, Mom? Dad will cook food. But will you be able to go to office like Dad? Will you be able to drive a car like Dad? Chinky, when both of you weren't born, then I also used to go to the office. Drop your father in the office and then go to my office alone with the car. But after both of you were born, I had to leave the office. Well then, we accept your challenge. Now there will be a great fight in the kitchen. Mom versus Dad.
The competition started. Mom and Dad started cutting vegetables. Mom's hands were running faster than Dad.
Yes, Mom.
Gattu was sure that Dad would lose from Mom because cooking was not his thing. But Chinky had complete faith on Dad. Both of them put their vegetables on the gas and both started kneading the dough. Now Dad was moving faster than Mom, kneading the dough with strength.
Yes, Dad. Come on, Dad.
Both of them started kneading the dough and rolling out chapatis. Dad was rolling out the chapatis and they were also becoming round, just like the chapatis made by Mom, which also inflated like balloons on the stove.
Wow, Dad. I didn't even know this talent of yours. Where did you learn to make chapatis?
During college, when all my friends lived in flats in Bangalore, I used to make chapatis every day. Mom, Dad cooked all the food together and the competition was over.
Competition is over. An amazing thing is that both the players were successful in this test. Now it's time for the result.
Then what? Gattu Chinky sat down at the dining table. Dad served food to Chinky and Mom served Gattu. Both took a bite each and started eating.
Wow, Mom, you have made a very tasty food today. It is really good.
But poor Chinky, as soon as she took the first bite, she started coughing heavily. Tears started flowing from her eyes and nose. She made a weird face and started drinking water. What happened? The food isn't good or what?
Chapatis are fine, but the vegetable, salt and pepper are too much. My mouth is burning.
On hearing this, Dad disappointedly looked at Mom. Mom understood and quickly picked up the vegetables prepared by Dad and ran towards the kitchen. After a while, Mom came back with the vegetables She served that vegetable to Chinky.
Now have it.
Chinky took a bite and she was shocked.
Mom, no mouth burning effect. The salt is fine too. What did you do? Nothing. Just added some water and tamarind and cooked the vegetable again.
Hearing this, Dad smiled and said, "See how talented your mom is. I was just joking. Not me, but your mother is the real powerful one."
Yay! Mom won, Mom won. Yes, Papa. Now we have to accept Mom is very powerful. It's not like that. Both of us are joking with you. Both of us are powerful. Both male and female are powerful. But when they work together, if one of them leaves, then the power of the other automatically decreases. So there is no comparison between the two. I cannot do what your dad can do.
And I cannot do what your mom can do.
But you can do a lot of things together, right? Exactly. So what did we learn today? That is, we should never be proud. Different talents are hidden in every person. We should respect each other and live together.
So come on, let us finish all this food together. The food is getting cold and I am really hungry. What do you say?
Yes, let's go.
And then, along with Gattu Chinky, their parents also sat down to eat and started enjoying the food.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें